Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel BIM for Construction. So today's topic is about how to create a family in Revit through Sweep tool. Before that, we have already discussed about the extrusion tool, blend tool and the revolve tool. So now we will discuss about the Sweep tool. Before that, if you haven't subscribed the channel, subscribe the channel. And this is our former name, Build Your House BYD, and right now we have updated the name as a BIM for Construction. In our channel you will find the videos in very organized way under the playlist, and you will have a very wide range of software videos to our channel. So please subscribe the channel. And so what are our basic steps? Open the family editor. We have to choose a Revit family template. Then we have to create a geometry and we have to decide a path around which our geometry will sweep a path, and after that we have to just right tick and our 3D form will be created. So this is our Revit revolve tool that we have created in our last video. You can go and check out the revolve tool, how to create a family through revolve tool, in our last video. So this chair and a glass we have created in our previous videos. In detail you will find out how you can also create a family like that. So creating with sweep, go to create. Here what to family I am going to create now is I will create a duct and a duct fitting over it. So for creating a rectangular duct, I am first creating an RP. So this is my first step, and I will also suggest everyone first create an skeleton of the family with the help of the reference plane. So whenever you control your family through parameters like length, width, height or any other dimension, so it will work without any error or issues. So after RP I will create a square for the duct, and our common practices, we have to align the RP and the edges of our geometry and then lock it, all the four we have to done this. So this is our top of the duct, and also we have to create the parameters like length, width and height for the duct same. After creating dimension, we have to go to the label, then parameter. The simple steps, you have to name the parameter, what parameter this will be. Like this, I am taking as a width of the duct, and this parameter I am creating as an instance parameter. Then for the height, so by changing the values in this parameter, I will also see the changes in our family. It means our parameters are working correct. Now I am going to the left elevation view, and here I will give the length. How long is my duct? I will provide 1 RP over the top of the duct, and also lock it and provide the dimension. Then this dimension I will convert into the parameter. So this will be the length of the duct, taking it also the same instance parameter, and if I change the value, the length of the duct will increase. So the parameters are working good. After that, now I will use the sweep tool and create a duct fitting after duct. For that, I am also first creating the skeleton with the help of reference plane. You can also create family directly, but by using the reference plane when we assign parameters or any constraint, so our family definitely works good without any error. So for this, first I have to create a path. Means a path I have to create around which my family will go, and a sweep model will create it. So fitting, I am creating over it elbow. So first I am deciding the path, that will be bend path. So this will define the bend radius of that elbow. So this bend radius also we can convert into the parameter. Every fitting has a bend radius in our technical term. So this will define the bend radius of the fitting. After that, for creating a geometry, you have to go to the 3D view. Then you will have options: select profile, then edit profile. So first go to 3D view, then select profile, then edit profile. After that, you have to select your geometry, or you can draw. So what duct we are going to create? Duct fitting. Same parameters. For assigning the parameters, we have to give the dimension. Before giving dimension, best vertex to perform the equal distance. So parameters we have already created for the duct. So using the same width, duct width parameters, same for our fitting. Height parameters, same for our fitting. So both family will take the height parameters and width parameter value as it is. If we put 2000, then both duct and duct fitting will have the 2000 width. So this is our duct fitting that is created using the sweep tool. You can see. And if you want to change the bend radius, you can change the bend radius also. Again, edit your family. And if you want to also change the profile, you can also change the profile, like from the square to the circular. You can also change the profile. Again, select profile, then our edit profile. And from square, you can select as per your project need. If I use circular duct fitting over it, and I have created a circular duct, so rather than square, I will select the circular geometry, and the diameter parameters will come to existence if you are going to use the circular fitting. So how this family will look.